she still loves you. I can tell it's in her voice. And Gatsby goes, no, her voice is full of money. Now, Leonardo performs it really well, but the coupleting of it, it's quite negative about Daisy. It feels negative about Daisy. And even though it was meant to happen out in the path, we probably would have done it differently out there. But the way we played it was, no matter what we did, once Tom goes, right, I know what's going on, we're going to town, off we go, you need Gatsby to be 100% focused on rescuing Daisy, winning Daisy. It's only about a slapdown between Tom and Daisy in cinematic terms. So it was just one of these gorgeous lines which we loved, which we just had to surrender to keep the focus on who will win Daisy. Because if there's any hint that Gatsby felt that disappointed by Daisy, then the audience start to go, does he really care? You're lowering the stakes for Gatsby's desire to win the big slapdown, which is coming up in the plaza, in literally 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Mr. Gatsby, will you join us?
Come on, Nick! 2 bottles of whiskey, wrap them in a towel.
She loves you. Her voice is full of it.
No. Her voice is full of money.